A memorable journey to Paris, France. I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to share a recent and delightful experience with you. I embarked on a scenic journey that began with a 170-mile car journey from Newbury to Dover, a port city in London. Then took a ferry that traveled for 90 minutes in English Channel and reached Calais, a France border city port, and then finally traveled 275 kilometers long drive to reach Paris. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice piece tower on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company was designed and built from 1887 to 1889. It was constructed as the centerpiece of the 1889 World's Fair, and to crown the bicentennial anniversary of the French Revolution. It has become a global cultural icon in France and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. It was designated a monument historique in 1964, and was named part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1991. The tower is 330 meters tall, about the same height as an 81-story building, and the tallest structure in Paris. It has 13,000 bolts and nuts, 2.5 million rivets hold together 12,000 metallic pieces. This was a well-known technique at the time of the construction. The tower has 3 levels for visitors, with restaurants on the first and second levels. You cannot take the stairs all to the top from the second floor, as the section is not open to the public for safety reasons. Tickets can be purchased to ascend by stairs or lift to the first and second levels, making the entire ascent a 600-step climb. The top-level upper platform is 276 meters, 906 feet above the ground. The highest observation desk is usually accessible only by lift. On the Eiffel Tower, 72 names of French men, scientists, engineers, and mathematicians are engraved in recognition of their contributions. I have attached a summary of my experience for reference and hope you will find it as enjoyable as I did. Thank you for taking the time to read about my adventure. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.